In this video, I'll show you how to create gradient text with an outline in Canva so your titles and designs instantly stand out. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and choose any size you want, like Instagram post or a custom size canvas. Once your blank design opens, click on the Apps section on the left side. In the search bar, type Gradient and open a gradient text app if available. Choose a style you like and click Add to Design. Now type your text and adjust the gradient colors and direction until it looks exactly how you want. If you don't see a gradient text app, here's another method. Add your text normally using the text tool. Then go to Elements and search for Gradient Square. Place the gradient over your text. Select both the text and gradient, then click Combine and choose Intersect if available. This will clip the gradient inside the text. Now to add the outline. Select your gradient text. Click Edit Image at the top, then choose Shadows. Click Glow, then open the settings. Change the blur to 0, increase the size to control thickness, and choose your outline color. This creates a clean, sharp outline around your gradient text. Adjust the thickness until it looks bold and balanced. And that's it. That's how you create gradient text with an outline in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.